Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best settings for your Samsung S90D. The first thing I want you to do is open up settings, come here, tap on all settings, and let's start with picture mode. So here under picture, I want you to change picture mode from eco to a filmmaker mode, okay? That is the best setting, so you can go ahead and change this, and it may increase power consumption, that's fine. Go ahead and choose yes. Then what I want you to do is I want you to go over here to expert settings and a brightness. I'll show you what to do later. Contrast, I want you to reduce this a little bit. Let's put it at, let's say 38. Can leave it as that. And then what I want you to do is come here to general and privacy, and we will go over to power and energy saving. Okay. And then, right, I want you to go ahead and toggle on brightness optimization. Okay. And as soon as you toggle this one on, they will ask you that this feature may increase power consumption. Do you want to go ahead, just tap on yes. And these are the best settings. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.